What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Back in Camarillo. They've pretty much been the best Nike outlet in my opinion. 10 o'clock, they just opened. Let's go see what's up. All right, they just opened the doors. They did have a huge line. See what's up. They literally just opened. Bosco's already in here. We'll see what he thinks about the situation. All right, I did check the register area, see if they have anything, but they don't. So let's go see what's up in the clearance section. And yeah, talk to you guys about this deal. All right, I did get text messages about this. They do have a little sale going on. And then I think you can combine this. I don't know. Let's see if they have a 30% off too. Yeah, they do have a 30% off the sales section, so you combine that. Might be able to find some deals, you guys. Yeah, we're going through the clearance section. Damn, the resellers, look at that, man. Damn, they're already cleaning up. Damn. Damn, look at all the shelves already empty. Holy guacamole. Holy crap. All right, see what we find, you guys. I did a quick walkthrough. I think the people are just buying up a lot of the really cheap stuff. Yeah, let's talk about some of this. We're starting in the 10.5s. They got these. These are the LeBrons down to $90 plus the 30% off, and then that extra discount. Yeah, stuff's getting really cheap. That's what people are picking up. I saw people with these. These are the Alpha Dunks going for $50. So that's $35, and then if you buy like 3 of these, you get another 20%. Get another like $20 off or something. So that's why people are buying all this stuff. Got plenty of the Westbrooks. We saw this 2 weeks ago when we came here. They're down to $40 plus 30% off and all that stuff. Not really seeing too much, you guys, but the sales are just crazy. It's going for $60 for these pastos. Like, yeah, that's cheap. Good extra discounts too, man. Seeing the same stuff in the 10s, you guys. Got a whole lot of these, the Shacks, BB4s, go for $100. Reminder that there is a 30% off right there. Got some samples, some track cleats, but they don't have the spikes. No spikes, $35. That's why they're cheap, I guess. This comes with, oh, this does come with the spikes, okay. So yeah, that's done. That's $35 as well. What are these? These are Pegasus. Oh, okay. I was like, what? For some reason, I saw the number $50 for those. The NXT BBs going for retail. We're in the size 9.5, so we're kind of seeing like the same stuff over and over. The Alpha Dunks, the Westbrooks right there. Those are the Ghost Swifts going for $40. Dang, all same stuff. But at least the prices are crazy. Huarachi's down to $50. Yeah, that's a pretty good price. It's size 9.5. Got some Vomeros, those are down to $60. Oh, I was like, these aren't the record parks. No, they're not. They're the ones with the mesh on the sides. These are going for retail, but you do get that 30 off and then that extra discount. Probably worth it if that is your size. Size 8 though. Yeah, same old. You guys, size 9s. More of the same, 8.5. Right there as well. Right there as well. And right there, all stuff that we've seen now. Dang, we come all the way to 7s because it's like the same stuff over and over. These down to $70. That's really good if that's your size. Dude, got the Flytrap 2s. Dude, got these bad boys going for $60. This is size 6.5 though. Alright, we're gonna check the bigger sizes. This is interesting because like everybody's just picking up like the really bargain stuff, you guys. And you know, if you get sneakers here for $30, you could probably sell it for $50, $60. I think that's kind of, oh, sorry about that. Sorry. I think that's kind of everybody's MO today, dude. Size 11s, look at that. More Westbrooks, kind of seeing the same stuff. You got Air Max 200s down to $60 with additional discounts. Metcons down to $50. More Shocks, more of the Vomeros. What are these? The Epic React Flyknit 2s going for $60. Haven't seen these in a while. We got the LeBron. Oh, I was like, these ain't no LeBrons. What the heck? The Air Force 2s, who knows? Did someone do the switcheroo on this? Like the Kyries with the Kyries. Oh, go for retail, what? Dude, got some Jordans in the size 12s. The fadeaways going for $50. Oh, okay. The glows are down to $70. Dang, with that extra discount, that makes it really cheap. Okay. Shocks, the BB4s down to $120. I think that's a little pricey. All right, we're checking out the 13s, and yeah, kind of the same stuff. You guys, kind of the same stuff. You got these, you've seen these in so many sizes. Huarachi's, you've seen those. Cons, we saw those in the other size. The only thing different, they do have these, the Superfly Elite FGs going for $170. These normally are $275, so that's a pretty heavy discount, especially with 30% off and all those other discounts. They do have some KD12s. That's something new. That's going for $90. Pegasus 34s going for $45. But that's about it. That's about it. And the bigger sizes even less. So yeah, let's go check out the aisles, man. We are starting in the Jordan section. Got the Proto React Z's. Dude, got Jumpman Team 1s. They do have t-shirts here. I've never seen t-shirts in the actual aisle, so that's interesting. $13 for those. Dude got that t-shirt. I'm kind of a fan of those. And even the Jumpman LAs. The Jumpman LA stores. We've seen these. Oh, the back is actually different than the other Jumpman LA stores, though. But yeah, they got a bunch of Jordan t-shirts and stuff for $13. That's not bad. They do have a couple of other Jordans. Yeah, let's keep moving. Kyrie section. Insane here, you guys. This, like, they got stuff here that just came out. Like, what the heck? This is nuts. Going for retail, though. We saw these here the week they released, I believe, or within a couple weeks after they released. They sold out. Now they're back, the N7s. And then we have these, the Kyrie 6 N7s. I've never even seen this colorway. The black version, I guess. Like, I've never seen these before. And they're coming out straight to the outlets, man. That's insane. They got the slide out box and stuff too, so that's hella interesting. But yeah, it is going for retail. Got plenty of sizes. The jet black colorway, the midnight navy, the 1111 colorway. Got some Kyrie 3 lows. I'll go for retail though, man. Then the Kybrids. They got the Kybrid S2s. That's kind of crazy. That's insane. You know, Bosco's going all crazy. Got all the Kyries here, man.
There's a lot of heat there, man. Like, heat, you know what I mean?
And then he's in the LeBron section over here. Okay.
What's going on, man? I'll probably pick up these LeBron 17 for 109.
You got the LeBron. I think these are the Agamat. Is these the Agamat ones? Yeah, it's the Philippine ones, right? Yep. Going for regular price though. These are dope. $100. More lows going for regular price though. LeBron 16s. We know these are all going to be on sale because the new ones are out. These are got the infrared colorway right here. And then what is this, you guys? How did they already have this at the outlet? Man, that's insane, you guys. The Soldiers just came out. I guess they made too many, because that's just insane. It is regular price, but remember, we do have the 25 off of 129 or something. So yeah, remember, they do have that sale going on. All right, I totally forgot the sale, so I needed to remind you guys as well as myself. Did these go up in price? Like, I remember these are cheaper, but yeah, the drop types, these are premium, $55. Do got some of the PGs here. So the price could be a little bit lower, obviously, since they are going for retail, but we know that they'll drop eventually. They seem to always bring shoes in as soon as they get it. They put it out for regular price and then wait a week and then they'll usually lower the price. So all these are going to go down in price. These are the PCGs. Do got some of the Mamba Furies, the Focus as well. All right, so we do have these, the Kobe AD NX. Man, these names are just too long. We do got the NXT FFs. FF stands for Fast Fit. I'm sure most of you guys know that by now. But yeah, go for retail. Guess you could get those extra discounts, but yeah, these are going for retail as well. Do you got the Stussy slides? These are interesting. Bosco was asking me about what the heck is going on because everybody was like crowded around here. Nobody ended up taking any though because they don't really have resale like that. But I know all the Stussy stuff was hyped. Pretty much all the sizes, 7 all the way to 13. I think the colorway kind of kills it for me on that one. Do have a couple more sizes. They got the Benassi, the N7s with the suede top. That's kind of cool. I think that's a better value, especially at $20. Do you got the React Surtus, another one of those. Man, this one's like a little too high, man. Got the Prestos, more Nike React Prestos. The Huarache types. I was like, oh, I thought this was one of the other ones. But yeah, go for $50. I was like, are these some SBs? Kind of, sort of. These are the Nike Skyforce. These actually aren't bad, dude. I was like, is that suede? Oh, suede on the outside. And what kind of material is that? Nylon in the middle? Okay, $60 for those. Not too bad. Dang, if these go down in price, these are going to be crazy. Same color scheme as that last one that I showed you guys. These are the Blazer Mids, Zoom Rookies, Air More Monies, React Visions, Black History Month, Air Force Ones. The better version of the Air Force Ones, I think this is from the year before though, right? So you got the Air Max 90 N7s. Dang, I saw these a couple of weeks ago. I thought these would go down in price, but not really, huh? Dang. These might be worth it if they keep going down in price. I won't pay regular price, but with some discounts, I'll jump on that one. Air Max Plus, Tailwinds, Air Max 200s, 270 racks, another one of those, more 200s, and I think that's the last one. These racks are way far from all the other ones. What the heck? Got some gold ones. Prices they seem to be up and down. 80 for these. Air Max 2090s making it way here. Did I even talk in English? Yeah, we got the Air Max 2090s now. We know these are gonna flood the outlets like crazy. Got another one of those. We've seen these cheaper at Shoe Palace, and these are almost gone even at this price. Dang, dude. React Metcons, more of those. These look dope with no laces. Metcon 5s dropping because the 6s are out. Pretty dope. I was just walking around, I saw people with Air Force boxes. I was like, what the heck is this? Oh, so that makes sense. It's a women's, you guys. Don't have many sizes left, pretty much just 7.5. There's a 9 right here too. But yeah, these are dope, dude. Be able to get it for a discount because you can apply that discount even though it is on retail. So you just have to pick something else up to save a little bit of dough. We are gonna spend a little more time on the apparel section today. Why? Because they got some crazy sales. I already picked up one of the things. We got a bunch of stuff here on clearance. We'll check those out in a sec. But I wanted to show you guys this. They do have some Jordan stuff on sale. Pretty freaking dope. The t-shirt section here was my favorite. A bunch of t-shirts for $12.99. That Jumpman LA t-shirt, supposed to only be sold at the Jumpman LA store, but it did make its way out to the Nike outlets. I have a black one of these, and these were so dope. I had to get mine, you guys. Like, this is so dope. $12.99, and if we get over $100, then we get a sale. I also have a 20% off birthday coupon. I have a Nike app with my girlfriend's name, so I just put it in her birthday. So I was like, hey, I'll have 2 coupons throughout the year. So yeah, I do have one of those. We'll see if I ended up spending it on this. I'd rather spend it on shoes. So yeah, but yeah, let's look around some more. Do got a bunch of Jordan shirts all go for $12.99. This one's pretty dope. That one's not bad. I kind of like that one. I guess, yeah, that's right here. Got that one as well with the fake DMPs right next door. And then that one, that's just a straight advertisement. I don't know why anybody would want that, but it even has a phone number in there, which is hilarious. That is the Jumpman LA address and phone number, I guess. Yeah, I guess, are these all the t-shirts that are up here? No, the one up top is gray. This one is black. They got this as well. Just a regular Jumpman t-shirt, classic. Does say Jordan with the Jumpman logo on the side. These are still $12.99. And the crazy thing is they have multiple sizes on all of these. So yeah, follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna post these on Instagram. Like, this is just way too dope. We just got some of the What the For apparel. Pretty dope. These are going for regular price though. What's up with that, man? $85 for sweats. Yeah, now I'm good on that. Oh, we got more Nike basketball shirts going for $13. Got that in blue as well. The Zoom Freak shirts. This is the shirt that Damn D got. He said he's not even a fan of the Greek Freak, but he just wanted this because he liked the shirt that said Freak on it. He said he could wear it to the clubs. That's hilarious. That's thinking outside the box, Damn D. Good stuff. Yeah, more $12.99 shirts. Dang, they even have another freaking rack full of $12.99 shirts. Holy crap. Alright, we've looked at plenty of the t-shirts. What's going on with all this PSG gear, you guys? $50 for these. PSG jersey. Got the PSG long sleeve shirts. Going for $60, normally $80. Got Jordan. Got Jordan long sleeve shirts. These go for $30, normally $40. Pretty thin, but still pretty dope. Another Jordan long sleeve shirt. Normally $40, down to $30. They do got plenty of sizes, small, medium. I think they're out of large, but they do have extra large, double XL. All right, we've looked at plenty of t-shirts. Let's look at the jackets and stuff like that. It is all 30% off because it's all stuff on clearance. We did see these. We got a couple sizes. These are the Air Max 90 jackets for the New York Fire Department. $40. Oh yeah, that's pretty cheap. Normally 90 down to 40, and then you get 30% off on top of that. Wow. And there's this other one as well. This one's going to 55. But yeah, 90 to 55, and you get 30% off. That's crazy. Dude got these jackets down to 55. I think they're normally over 100. I don't know. Remember, all this stuff you do get 30% off too. Got a Seattle Seahawks. I don't think this is supposed to be here because it says regular price on it. Jordan zip ups, size medium. This is going for $50. They got a few other sizes here as well. Rams long sleeve shirt down to 40 from 45. At least you get 30% off. Is that a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles long sleeve shirt? Oh, yeah, $40. It says normally 130, and you get 30% off. That's crazy. Dude, you got polos down to $28. Then you get the additional 30, but yeah, these started off at like 75. Wow. Got a few different colors of the polos. These are all size smalls though. This, I guess this is under Nike Golf though. But yeah, $35. Normally 75, and you get a discount. Another long sleeve down to $50. I think I got a variety. Hopefully. These hoodies down to 60, normally 85. These you don't get an extra discount though. So you got shirts, plenty of graphic tees, 2 for 25. More hoodies, these are going for 40. $60 for this hoodie. Okay, these are all 30% off. The double Nike swoosh jackets, orange and red, $55 a piece for those. And you get that discount on top of that. Yeah, so I'm gonna grab this t-shirt, you guys. Super, super dope t-shirt. I've had people ask me, hey, where I got that from. Normally $35, which is I think the going rate for Jordan t-shirts, but it's down to $21.99. But they do got that $12.99 special as I showed you guys. So yeah, that's just dope. I'm so excited to get these for $13 plus tax. Wow. Damn, we're getting some bonus footage while I'm in line, you guys. Look, they got backpacks here. Jordan backpacks, $39.99. You get 30% off on top of that. No signature Jordans though. But yeah, still a decent selection. Not bad. I did forget to show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Loon Racers. These do have full-length React. Super, super comfortable, you guys. I'm a huge fan of these. Yeah, and on top of that, I'm wearing sweats and long sleeve, man. It's kind of cold outside. We got started pretty early in the morning, so yeah, that's kind of it, you guys. All right, $13 for a t-shirt after tax. Yeah, let's wrap it up, you guys. Wrap it up. We are at Shoe Palace, which is like, what, 3 or 4 stores down, trying to see what's going on here. Not really much. They rarely ever have anything, to be really honest. But they had these. I don't even know what number this. Oh, is this a 10? What number is this? I don't even know which Hydro this is. But yeah, $20. It is a size 14 though. And I already have like so many slides at home. Size 14, dude. So this is dope. $20 for some Jordan Hydro slides. I doubt they have any other size. I'll ask them. But yeah, it's an interesting find. This is the only size they have, and I just thought this was interesting. Look at this. 2013, dude. 2012, 2013. That's when they made these. So someone just probably found this in some warehouse or something. That's just crazy, guys. I'm gonna leave them. They probably could resell these, to be honest. But that patent yellow looks like it's yellowing a little or something. Yeah, we're gonna leave this. Then they got these mids. This is the one with the all suede. Feels pretty good. Dang. I actually got stuff here, you guys. All right, we have been focusing on apparel. Dude got this as a size large. It's just a regular sweatshirt. $30 as opposed to $70. That's actually a pretty good deal. This Jordan shirt this is a size small. It's going for $20, normally $35. $25 for this. This is pretty dope. I don't know what size it is. Oh, it's an XL. $25, normally $45. That is kind of dope. His airness right there, the man. I think that's about it though. All right, these normally go for $60, down to $45. Those as well. But that's about it, you guys. Let's wrap it up. I think we're officially done with this video. We're all done. Last thing, you guys, I didn't see these until I was about to leave. Apparently these are a Shoe Palace collab. That's what Bosco told me. We're going for $120. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Holy crap, you guys, look at the line. It's what, 11:30, 11:25 or something? Look at that line. Oh my goodness. Dang, dude. It's not that good.